nagko-call na ako.
Fight Deco Day held here at the beautiful
1,430. Pwede na.
Hello. Sure. 20 lang po isa.
Yun o, mga ka-gravel o. Good morning. So, today is pupunta tayo sa UP para sa Philippine Bicycle Demo 2024. Maraming sikat na vloggers doon. Sila Ian Howe, sila Team Apple, and many more. Let's go! Pala guys, ongoing na pala yung study ng MMDA ngayon na tatanggalin na to yung bike lane. So kayo ba, agree ba kayo doon? Kasi ako personally, para sa akin useful yung yung bike lane, especially sa ating cyclist. So, if natanggalin ito, parang mas mahirapan yung mga cyclist na mag-bike dito sa EDSA. Pwede nila sigurong gawin, share a road na lang. So, pwede pa rin yung bike then yung motor at the same time. Kasi siguro bumay sila sa statistics na onti lang yung gumagamit ng bike lane na sa ngayon. Kasi during pandemic doon marami. So ayun, siguro share a road na lang. Share the road. You know, malapit na tayo sa UP oh. Hopefully nandun sila Sir Ian, Team Apple, Angelo Biker Dude, Ma'am Eloisa, and many more. Kasi ano pa lang 7:29 AM. Pero based naman dun sa Facebook page nila sa UP Philippine Bicycle Demo, 7 AM ang start hanggang 5. So Saturday pa lang ngayon. So 2-day event siya. Meron pa bukas Sunday, May 5. May 4 bali ngayon. Payapa talaga dito sa UP. Itong part ng UP na to papasok. Yun eh. Laki ng bike lane. Tapos yan, daming puno. Daming nag-jogging. Saan kaya? Yun.
Ito yata order.
Nag-avail ako ng cycling cap.
Last name po.
Magkano po yung ano, yung sa shirt?
450 po.
Ano pong available size?
2 XS to 3 XL.
Ano kayong size para sa akin?
Wait lang po Wait lang, sorry po Ito po.
Ano kayong size para sa akin, sir?
Baka medium or small.
Small? Pwede siya i-try?
Sige. Medium or small. Dito. Okay.
Next po.
Medium pa try po.
With them po. Pakiyan na lang muna. Pakipag-up.
Pwede doon, no, sir? Pwede po ba?
Hindi ako po doon
Okay. Sige. Thank you po. Pwede po ba? Salamat, sir. One, two, three. One. Okay. Pwede ako rin, sir? Ay. Sorry. sorry. Thank you, sir.
Tatlo, isa-isa mo. Hindi po, kain.
Diretsuhin niyo lang kamala.
Design siya for cargo type. Kasi yung vendor niya integrated, well built. Nagiging bagal.
Ayun sa legs.
Magkano lang
Si Mano.
Boss na lang sa kabila. Boss, ayos boss.
Cross country. Yun o, si Mano Cruz o. Pala yun.
registration booth for working really hard, especially my mom out there, and also for the organizers, usually for working
Ito, meron dito eh.
Ano yan?
Kaya laser.
Pwede rin sa ito sa 7-Eleven.
Don't worry, there are only first aid and marshals guiding you as you go through the corridors or around the
Mano laser, Diablo King. 38. $1,430. Pwede na. Laki pa ng kulay nito eh. May pula, may cyan, may black. Ito cyan ulit.
This is also have some wonderful bikes for kids. If they receive this small push bike,
Ay, ayun pala eh.
other events that we will have to play and mountain bike yung bike. Thank you Lady, for our 10 suppliers for this amazing heat that they're doing. And please make sure once again to stay hydrated with Healthy Pure.
Mike shampoo for hydrating us today. With the official hydrating partner
So once again, please make sure to come to school and fill out your after dinner. Also, it's a leader and doing every hour.
Yata. Pwede kaya. Kahit mga kasyan, wala nang kasyan.
Get one more chance po. Wait lang po.
Hindi ako na-excite first time.
Extra small, ma'am.
XL and double XL.
Cycling Central at the UP Diliman's second pedal up bike demo day held here at the beautiful bike.
Sir Ian po, ma'am. Sir Ian po.
Wala pa po eh.
Pero darating po ngayon. Ayun guys, wala pa si Sir Ian. So mamaya pa yata.
Mamaya darating na yung isa.
From the multi-sport outlet, we've got the female cyclists as well who rode their bikes from their homes to riding towards this direction. And some of them come from Cavite all the way from Bulacan, coming on down here. Welcome. I see a lot of holding bikes as well. The Club Society of the Philippines is here. Romcom Club of the Philippines is here as well. Thank you so much for coming on down. We see a lot of our friends from the gravel community, the mountain bike community represent as well. Some of the cyclists from the road community, the road bikers, looking pretty sleek today. Thank you for coming on down. We've got an 800-meter on-road course for you to test some of the latest mountain bike and bicycles for you to enjoy. We also have a 1.8-kilometer loop for the road bikes in order for you to test the latest technology from Shimano and SRAM.
We'd also like to thank all of our influencers and whoever comes here with cameras. I see a lot of 3D cameras that are going around. We really appreciate you documenting this event and sharing it with us and giving us likes and shares if you can.
Alright. Thank you so much, Marco, my son, and Jenna. Okay, we have a talk now for the elder viewer section. We have with us the owner and the squeaky clean guy.
Wearing a fighting maroon shirt
Wearing maroon shirt, he has
from B-School.
from this school, representing is very clean and crisp water
Healthy
and pure.
Here you go.
Oh my God! See?
Mr.
Don't you have to be an angel to represent that?
Actually, he's shining like an angel.
Or a reformed, not so angel.
There are different kinds of angels, you know.
Oh yeah. They can also fall and rise up again.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mike Chanco, the official hydration partner of the Bicycle
Yeah, of course, before you talk, we have to remind everyone, only healthy pure water can be sold or grabbed in the venue. So if you want to grab water, personal water is for your purposes. And that grab only can happen your offline.
Hi sir, good morning.
Bakit dalawa po sa isa?
Yun ang talagang mas pang-mountain bike. Oh. Basta 360, so... Pinikap ko na lang to.
Hindi pa rin siya tapos magpalo-palo. May nahulog eh.
Simple and... Yeah.
Nilagay mo kaya
Ay ma'am, pwede mo mag-picture?
Sure po.
And also with the air notes mo Thank you po.
Thank you.
Hindi kayo naka-vlog ma'am?
Naka-vlog pero clip-clip lang.
Ah,
Nagba-vlog ka ba?
yes po, naka-on.
Naka-on? Hello.
Ay ma'am,
Sure. 20 lang po isa.
si Ma'am Clarice Cycles.
Ikot ka doon.
Nakuha ka ng pulo. Ayaw mo. Parang lalabas yun.
Yun guys, so alis na tayo dito. Wala pa daw si Sir Ian saka sila Team Apple. Siguro mamaya pa sila. Saka mainit na. Andun yung track side guys, so pag gusto nyong mag bike demo, ano yung may ano na yan, may tawag dyan, parang may basta track side siya.
Ganyan siya, na-surely yung ano.
Ayun.
Alis ka na, boss?
Yes.
Saan po siya?
Pero hindi pwede pumasok. Operational na tayo eh. Ay, 300 bawal, no? Lala mo. Push card sila, push card.
Ay,
Boss, ipaubang ako. Bababa,
Mabit.
bababa.
yan.
Lalagay ko yung mga bike na lang tayo.
Papa, dito na lang. Ano, tayo.
Gaming stop na lang siya. 342.
Oo.
Thank you.
po.
Salamat po, ingat po. Kasi pare, pag tayo.
So ayun guys, alis na tayo dito sa UP. Almost 9 AM na rin. So mainit na. At may iba pa tayong asikasuhin. Sila Ian How, mamaya pa raw siguro. Yun. Na-meet natin si Ma'am Clarice Cycle. So nakapagpa-picture tayo sa kanya. Yun. Ay, pabalik yata tayo dapat. So babalik tayo. Mali yata. One way yata to. Balik tayo. Ikot na lang. Ayan, ito yung track side guys, oh. Yung pwede mo i-demo yung bike. So ayun guys, nag-avail din pala tayo ng t-shirt. Nagkakalaga siya ng 450. Pag sa online mo siya binili, abot siya ng 400 lang. Pero sa online kasi di natin masusukat eh. So kaya mas pinili natin na on-site na lang bumili. Pag on-site naman nagkakalaga siya ng 450. Mag-a-add ka lang ng 400. Pero yung cycling cap, inavail natin siya online na. Kasi one size na naman yung cycling cap, saka stretchable naman siya. Then dun sa online registration, pag on-site ka 100, pagka online 75 lang. So minus, nakatipid ka ng 25 pesos. Daan tayo dito saglit. Alis na tayo dito. Uwi na. Namiss ko mag-bike guys. Matagal-tagal din kasi tayong hindi nakapag-bike. Yung last ride natin is nung March 3, yung nag-Mount Oro tayo. So almost 2 months din na hindi tayo nakapag-bike. Pero may mga daily activities naman tayo like jogging, stretching, push-up, ganun. Pero iba talaga pag nagbabike eh. Next time, try ulit natin mag-long ride. Pag may oras na. Try natin Laguna Loop. Pero wag muna ngayon kasi yung init, grabe. Siguro mga bare months na, pag di na ganong mainit. Try natin siya. Shoutout pala sa dalawa kong tropa, di na nagbabike. Bihira na magbike. Si Erwin saka si Jesper. Yun, magbike naman kayo mga par. Yun. Akit tayo dito sa overpass natin. Oo. So ayun na nga mga ka-gravel. Kakagaling lang natin sa Philippine Bicycle Demo Expo sa UP. Naginanap sa UP Sunken Garden. So na-meet natin doon sila, si Ma'am Clarice Cycles, and nag-ikot-ikot din tayo doon. Then imi-meet ko sana si Sir Ian Howe and Team Apple. Then yung iba pang vlogger, kaso wala sila doon sa bike booth nila. Baka sabi ng staff, sarap mag-bike staff is baka mamaya pa raw. Kaya minabuti na natin muna umuwi. Kasi ang init na. And may iba pa tayong asikasuhin. And yun, nag-avail din pala ako ng pedal app Cycling Cup. Thank you sa panonood mga ka-gravel. Hanggang sa susunod ulit. Salamat. Follow nyo pala ako sa social media accounts natin mga ka-gravel. Sa Facebook at The Gravel Rides, sa Instagram at The Gravel Rides, then sa Strava, Kevin Laneta. Yun lang. Ulit, salamat.